Hello guys, namaste. Welcome back to the channel. Those who are new, welcome to the Tarot Tales 369. Please go like the videos and subscribe to the channel. Share the videos if you are liking it. Tell me in the comments. Also, if you need any personal reading, do contact me for further inquiries. So I have already did the cards. Today's reading is for my fish friends, the Pisces. So let's see what we have got here. I must tell you, such beautiful cards are here. I can very much relate to them. These are just apt energies for my Pisces friends out there. Please tune in and check out, just go through it, and you will definitely resonate with the energy. So let's first begin with actually, I pulled these five cards, and this one is extra. This came out first. So I would say the Page of Wands is all about fire. If you know, Wands is a fire element. So much of fire here in the reading, guys. So much of fire is there for you inside you. Just go out and do what you feel inside you. Just that new, fresh, seed that's coming from the inside. To get the world. I'm seeing it shows that. Okay, and it's like I'm all prepared. I have my wand ready. I'm all decked up, and now I'm going to just walk on this earth and rule this world in this postcard energy. I got this. So very beautiful card to begin with for the Pisces energy. It shows, new beginnings, and he's very, see, a very youthful man standing here. So very much, energized and to explore the world around him. Like whatever is being offered, being is in that energy. He has this urge, that willingness to learn new things and explore what's new basically. Because the Pisces are like that, guys. One moment something, and another moment there is another thing going on in their mind. See, Pisces is the sign that have all the traits of the another other 11 zodiac signs, because before it is the last sign. Because so definitely the Pisces carries all the energies of all the 11 zodiac signs before it. So pretty much tell that. And he's very curious too. Just I'll just go out there and walk the path and see what's going on, and find something what new I can do with this. And this is also, like creativity. So many of you might be feeling like that. One day you just wake up and decide, okay, now today I'm going to do this. I'll try this new thing. Pisces are like that, guys. They always want to do new things in life and, explore new things. They are like that. They want to do everything in life. That's what I want to say. And so there's that enthusiasm to begin the new journey. They are on the verge of beginning something new, definitely. A new project, a new business idea, a new creative idea, something new. They are just going to wake up and, okay, uh, they'll be like, I'm doing this from now on. So I'm going to do this. I choose this. That's the kind of energy that, fresh spark is there. Especially, also, I do feel it's very emotional on a emotional level, because the Pisces are like that. They are the ambats, they are the water ever flowing. They have their empathy for others. So they catch all the feelings of the surrounding. You know, if they walk into a room full of people, they are definitely gonna absorb all that energy. So they are those emotional beings. And this can also mean for many of you a spiritual journey thing and spiritual aspects. So this can also be that, guys. If you are new into this spiritual world, or you are just beginning to explore and know what is this world and beyond, so it could be your own quest uh, of the soul, yeah, for the soul searching. See, because it's fire, so the fire belongs to the soul, right? So your soul has that fire, that urge to start moving. Look at this man, very vibrant and a huge of red. There's so much of red energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So it's the fiery energy. Wand is showing the sign of being purposeful. So, guys, you are doing something new, maybe a new passion you have developed, a new purpose, a new creative idea has emerged in your life, and maybe a new relationship. So, it's just the beginning. It's just embarking on the journey with this, one card. So, take it. Next, we have this Ten of Swords. See, guys, most of the sword cards are taken in not so positive way. Look at this man almost dead. So with this, there could be some kind of an ending, or your diet. You are like, okay, I'm just laying down here, and there's so much of challenges coming, and okay, I'm just tired. I'm just done with this. I'm just fed up, and there are some kind of losses, or some painful things have happened. We have gone through so much, and maybe some kind of a betrayal could be there. Backstabbing could be a reason. Your energy is all, you're very much exhausted now on that roller coaster ride you were on, and you were like, okay, now I'm just done with this. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not moving. And it would be your emotional breakdown also. You just something just mentally, and not it is not in the physical realm, basically. Something that has happened to you. This is on your mental side. Something from the inside that's going on in your head. So it could be like that. And maybe a spiritual burden. Maybe you have gone through that dark night of the soul. And the page is saying, okay, you have gone through this, but anyways, ultimately you are a Pisces. So Pisces are always like that, I'll get my shit together and just wake up and rise again. And that's the philosophy of a Pisces person. Their mindset is that. So he is again emerging on the journey. See, that card came on its own. It's a message like, okay, all these things gonna happen, but remember, look at the brighter side, at the fresh start. You are going to do this by hook or crook. You're going to achieve this. You are going to get there. You're reaching there. Whatever is cooking in your mind and heart, basically. So Pisces rule from the heart. So this very much tells that story. And now we have this Empress card. See, after this maybe betrayal, or your spiritual exhaustion and all of that. So now you are back. Okay. And now I'm a Pisces. I'm gonna get up. I'm this now. Embrace is that confirmation card, 'cause that from the major arcana, and the divines are just giving you a big thumbs up. Okay, just sit on your throne, go get up. You have the crown over your head, you have all the resources, you are very fruitful, you are definitely going to make something out of what is there in your mind. It's also a healing card. See, it's very Venusian energy, and it's a very feminine card. So it's like, okay, you were exhausted here. Just get up, uh, get dressed, well dressed, get going. and just, get good clothes and go out and just treat yourself. I guess self treatment, self care, and maybe a walk in the nature, or just make a new habit. Go out there walking or jogging, just connect with the nature, and wear those flowy clothes, wear them, and just go around out there and roam around and make this mental, you know state, uh, just get up from this mental state mindset, just become stress free, just unload it from this mental state, stress maybe. So this is that card, and it's a big energy, since it's a major arcana card. It is also just to soften yourself. So much of work you might have done here, you are so tired now. So it's like, okay, now just cool down. It's cool down period. Soften yourself, care for yourself, look inside, nurture your inner world, your inner wounds. It's that. Or do something creative. Like you have an idea, okay? And I have this idea now. I'm going to practice this. Maybe a new activity, a new hobby, something creative. Or just do some kind of, physical activity. Go out, maybe a yoga session, or maybe some spa, like that. Just divert your mind from that state to this state. Come to this, and this is kind of feeling, for beauty and some music. I would suggest just listen to your favorite music, Pisces. You're so much into music. They just, get the energy back with just 2 3 songs, and I'm back in the game. It's like that easy for the Pisces. So they are very much, run by that current energy. Sometimes you might be, over confined to with that environment. Okay, you were stuck. If you will just hear a good music, maybe it just will boost your morale and just freshen up your mind and your mood. So that's a very good card here, guys. After what has happened, in the past with this card, that's a confirmation. And just go follow what your heart says. And now we have this wand energy with us. Guys, we have so much of fire energy today in this Pisces reading. You know, is definitely something fiery going on in your life or in your mind, Pisces. See, Pisces mind is always running so much so that even overthinking word is an understatement for a Pisces, because their mind is half in this realm and half in the other realm. uh, your mind is clouded most of the time. So there's this fiery energy. Maybe you are, wounded, uh, or maybe something backfired at you, and you were maybe something negative you went to. But now you are guarded. See how this man is standing, uh, guarding all the 8 of his wands behind him, and he's guarding with this one wand. Standing there, okay, enough of this. I have done my best, and if this happened, okay, I'm not paying any attention to that anymore, and I'm just treating myself good. I'm just eating good, feeling good, you know, dancing and flowing, and now I'm guarding my own happiness. That's it. It is the energy. I'm guarding myself. Maybe in the past, what happened has happened. Okay, let bygones be bygones. And this is, I'm uh, now I'm just a survivor. Pisces are like that, They are the substitute for the word survivor. They can survive anything because they mold quite easily. They mold themselves very well with the surroundings, with the environment around them. And this is like you're still standing tall on your business. You are going to get that. You are doing that. What you feel right. And even if you are, you know, tired and you are still standing tall and guarding your own happiness, your mental state, your aura, maybe, just it's very personal. So you may be now more vigilant if something happened back then, but now you're more vigilant, more awake, more aware of okay, how things work. Now I know how things work in this cruel world, and I'm all set and ready for that. I am all prepared. I have got my wand in my hands, and I'm ready to defend myself at any cost in any situation. It could be emotionally, defensive also, if you have been through that emotional roller coaster. So now this is your emotional defense also. Now I'm not going to invest in people or things how I used to, and now I'm very defensive. I will defend my emotions. I'll not get involved so much emotionally. What is that? And now you can like what's coming next is the confirmation for this again, a very good major arcana card. See, this is a very apt, precise, energy for a Pisces today. I feel from the bottom of my heart, I'm feeling this. Okay, this is what defines the Pisces today. Everyone, I think most of you are going to resonate with this energy. So again, this card now, just here before this, you were investing fully, uh, you were giving your all. So now this is okay. He's like protect your heart, invest wisely and not out of fear. He's not standing here out of fear. He's standing here because he has that capability. He has that inner strength. Whatever happens around, whatever happens in the world, and whatsoever happens with me, end of the day, I'm going to get up again, adding my two and two together, and just at any cost I'm going to defend myself, my emotions, my heart, because it's an emotional, right, mostly, and that emotional energy is coming, so I'm going to protect myself emotionally. That's the card energy. Exhausted, tired, but not giving up. He is that wounded warrior. And now we have this full card. What to say of this card again? See, look at that bright side. The sun is up, Look at this guy, just like this, the page of wands. He's like, okay, it's time for a new adventure. Now, I'm going on my new adventurous trip, that voyage. And see, you look at this, it's giving very good feeling, Pisces. Like you're now here heaved again, and that's the Pisces, they heal just quickly. That they are quick to shift. So they are now like okay, they are very self motivated actually. Pisces are. That is the word for the fishes. They are self motivated. They will sail through anything and everything. So again, the Pisces is now all new, you know, that rebirth has happened, kind of. And he's very innocent, that innocence is there, and you're now just okay. Now I surrender to the divine. Now I'll surrender to the universe, okay? Whatever is going to happen, I'm not worried of the future. I'm living in the present moment. So presently, currently, Pisces feeling like just getting up, go out, move yourself. I'll just roam around. So I'm all decked up already, and I'm just going on that unknown voyage with that leap of faith. The Fool has that energy, and it's a beautiful shift. Pisces here. See, although there are these negative cards before, I would say, which are not seen in a good way, but to see the shift quickly, how good the energy shifts for Pisces. That's why I love Pisces energy, because there is a lot of things going on at once, and they are very good to shift, and mostly from negative to positive. See, they just rise up. And so, from guarding, you are guarding your emotions or yourself to this Fool card. It is like the shift, the trust again. Just get up, start something new with that faith. If you want to see here, you want to start this new thing, new business, new hobby, or learn new things. Okay, just get up, get your stuff, get ready, and just start your journey. You don't need to know where you are going. It is that energy. Like he doesn't know where he's going. He's just embarking on a journey and unaware, and even more than unaware, he's unbothered, I would say. Like whatever happens in the future, he's not bothered at all. And just he just started walking that path, and he took that leap of faith, and he started walking. Okay, now I'm going somewhere. I'm just going. I will be somewhere with this energy. So that's the energy for you guys, for the Fool card. And now we have this finally the Knight of Cup is here. Since it's a Pisces reading, cup has to be there. You know, the water energy is here. It would be like, for a few, it's like, although see, knights are not that mature person. We don't count them as the king is, right? Like as mature as the king. They are less mature, and this is a cup of emotion or love. So someone may be coming towards you. It would be also it could mean in the past that you had this bad relationship, and you came out of that. You walked out, uh, and now someone is coming to offer you this cup. Just take my cup and be with me, come with me. But this is a little immature energy, Pisces, when it comes to the night. And also on you, if we are not looking for that in romantic way, in general also, this could be your energy. you know you have that thought, you have it could be like you these are your emotion, your emotional, your strength, and you came out of this. And now with this night energy, this very much matches to your natural longing, looking for meaningful and soulful connections. You're like, okay, this whatever has happened didn't go well. Now I'm again ready on this adventurous journey. I'm sitting on my horse. I'm just embarking on my new journey. I'll just go find out some other better person, maybe from the last time. I have learned the lesson. Now I'm not going to say it's like here you were maybe not treated well. So you decided on, okay, I'm cutting my emotions, and now again I'm going to research from my end with a better idea, you know, with my experience. You have that experience now, Pisces. So you're like, okay, and now I have learned the lesson, and now I will do whatever feels right to me from my point of view, what my heart feels right, what my emotions are. Your inner voice is like that. uh, it would also be like you for your creative project also, which you are embarking on new project. It is for that also. You're very much emotionally invested, whatever it is in that project, or so that hobby. You're going to start a new thing. You're guided by your heart completely. And so overall energy for this, I think I have conveyed all the messages. And I would just say, I would admit that this is the best reading. When Pisces energy is like that, you just can't, you go with the flow, and that's the energy. Very full of emotions, flowing energy. See, uh, just treat yourself, love. Uh, may that self love is missing. So go on the journey, adventure, do what you feel like, emotionally, mentally, just get up. So all in all, after a painful cycle here, you are entering a new life. You are uh, strong mentally, and you are curious, and that nature you have built, and it will take you to places. You know, you are adding on that with this Empress. It's like, okay, on the way, you also make time for healing yourself, treating yourself right. Just go shopping, maybe just buy that thing you wanted to buy. A good perfume, I'm hearing a good perfume. Oh, get that. Just go and buy that. And create the new thing you thought of creating. And so you're, uh, with this next card, you're cautious here. Since this happened in the past, but you're not stopping. You're not defeated here. You're not defeated. You're very much standing on your ground. Now you are being invited, to release that and that fear, and take a leap of faith. And so fool's energy also, like your crown chakra. And now with this night energy, uh, you're being invited to release fear, and to take that leap of faith, and just start your journey. So you thought of going on a journey, you just sat on your horse, and now you're ready to ride with that horse. You're going there, definitely. So this is the card of movement with this. You're holding your cup, your emotional fulfillment. Yes, that's the card. You're going for your own emotional fulfillment. You have that emotional intelligence now, Pisces. So you're like, okay, now I'll do things on my own. Like self centered, or maybe self caring energy, like for yourself. Or maybe you are on a new spiritual journey, on that new creative journey, your artistic idea. And you're going to get there, slow and steady, but going there, Pisces. So there's a thing with Pisces, when they make up their mind, they are going to do that. So whatever is on their mind, they're just going to get that. So no one can change their mind. They are the fishes. They sail, fishes sail in the open ocean, in the sea. So there are no boundaries for them. Similarly, here you are not bounded by, your mentality. They are not worried about being judged, or, uh, no rules apply on Pisces. They make their own rules. They have come here to make their own rules and make the change, to bring the change. And so the sense that's you have been through, the depths of, you know, where you are sailing, you know, in the sea, on that boat. There are many ups and downs, but definitely you are reaching your destination. Uh, so that's that for the day, Pisces. And after there is always a sunrise after the sunset. So that is that kind of energy. Stay curious, stay youthful, stay young at your heart. You know that fire, let that fire burn inside. And just start your whatever idea you have. And there is this thing with Pisces, you can't know what is going on in their mind. Mhm. So they are multitaskers. They are always looking somewhere, thinking something else, and doing something else. And so that's it, Pisces. If you connect with the reading, please like, go, subscribe the channel, and follow. Always come back for any queries if you have. Please comment down what you think about this reading. And for personal reading, you can reach out to me. And for any further inquiries, if you have any queries for this reading, you can always comment down. So thank you, Pisces. Uh, the reading made me overwhelmed, and so I spoke a lot. Please follow 369 The Tarot Tales. Thank you. Namaste.